Welcome to Toyota Time with Timmy the Toolman and Sean. Today is the day that Central Electric is going to pull power to the shop. All right. So Central Electric Cooperative is the electrical company that services my neighborhood. If you remember, Caleb and Izzy sucked some rope through the conduit from the street so Central Electric could hook up the cable and be able to pull it through. So that's what's going on. They have another truck at the street and I'll go over there now. So here's the truck at the street with the big boom, and I'm guessing that's what they're going to use to pull the wire through. Is that correct?
Not quite.
Not quite.
This is going to set the new transformer.
This is going to set the new transformer in place right here?
Yeah, there's a new transformer in the back. We'll take this one off, put that one on, and then the wire will get pulled off of that truck, going into your meter base and coming out right here. And you'll have power.
So this is Luke from Central Electric, and he's going to explain to you exactly what they're doing right now.
Yeah, so basically all we have to do is we're upgrading your transformer because you're adding a service to it. So you're going to have some more load to your place. And basically what this does, a transformer is just transforming the voltage. All it does is these things, they will carry 7,200 volts. And all the transformer does is transform it into 120 volts and 240 volts that go into your house. This is just a splice. Like it's just a place where these two wires meet. They're the same voltage. It's just a connection point. The actual transformation is in this unit. Are
you going to replace this with a bigger one?
Exactly. It's going to look physically the same size, but the capability will be a little more.
Okay. So to make this clear, this is the transformer that's going to be replaced with a bigger one or more powerful one. And then what TJ is working on is the switch box that sends the power to my place, the shop, and to my neighbor's place.
Yeah, and that's going to stay.
That's going to stay, okay.
Yeah, exactly.
But this is going bye-bye.
Exactly. We just have to add wire from this point to your new shop.
The new transformer was dropped in place with the boom on that truck, and now they're getting it wired up. So now the crew is going to be pulling the wire from the shop to this junction box, and the cable is on a spool on that truck over near the wall of the shop where the panel is. So are you guys gonna hand pull it, or are you gonna use some type of winch?
See that deal on the front, that wheel?
Oh, over there?
That's a capstan. Just wrap it around there, and then the hydraulic assistance.
Running it to a pulley there.
Okay, come up on capstan.
Ooh, there it is. There it is. It made it through.
You got some parsley?
I do not have it out yet.
Is that like a contact grease?
Yep.
All right. The meter is getting installed. Just like that.
Dang.
It's the smart meter type, so it's going to send the signal so they don't have to come out here and read the meter. So what size wire did you pull to the shop?
That was 4-aught TXUG, so it's triplex is what the TXUG is, and the UG is underground. So underground triplex is what that stands for.
Gotcha.
So it has two legs that are 4-aught, and actually the neutral is a little smaller, it's 2-aught.
And so if you pulled actual copper to the building, how much more would that have cost?
Probably quite a bit. I can't give you an exact number, but it would have been significantly more.
Gotcha. Okay. I like seeing that. Power to the building. All right. That's the end of this video. In the next part for the shop remodel, I'll be covering the sheetrocking of the inside of the building, the taping and texturing, and it getting painted. Peace out. Happy wrenching. Happy shop remodeling. Bye-bye.